Samsung is preparing to launch not one, but 3 new smartwatches at its July 2025 Galaxy Unpacked event, and this year's lineup is more than just aesthetic refreshes. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, Galaxy Watch 8, and Watch Ultra all bring real upgrades, inside and out. According to reliable sources, pricing has shifted slightly. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic will now start at $499, which is $50 more than the Watch 6 Classic from 2 years ago. The regular Watch 8 also gets a $50 bump across both sizes. Meanwhile, the Watch Ultra sticks to its previous $650 price point, despite speculation of a cut due to Apple's recent adjustments. Across the board, each model now includes 64 GB of internal storage, double what the Galaxy Watch 7 offered. It's a sizable increase, though its practical use case might be limited for most. Still, it could come in handy for offline music, apps, and software logs, especially for runners or athletes who leave their phones behind. Another universal upgrade is Samsung's latest bioactive sensor, aimed at delivering more accurate health tracking, reinforcing Samsung's push into advanced wellness monitoring. Design-wise, the Watch 8 Classic is getting some spotlight with official renders showing off a sleeker, more refined white variant alongside the traditional black. It will come in only one size, 46mm, but it's visibly slimmer than the Watch Ultra. While that brings a cleaner profile, it likely comes at the cost of battery capacity. Thinner bodies typically house smaller batteries, so endurance could take a hit compared to the Ultra. Still, we can hope Samsung compensates with improved efficiency and power management. The regular Watch 8 appears in graphite, maintaining a modern look, though opinions may vary. Some users may still prefer the bolder design language of the Watch 7. The Watch Ultra, now in a new, deep blue colorway, maintains its physical structure but benefits from the same internal upgrades: expanded storage, new sensors, and enhanced software features. On the software front, Samsung's new One UI 8 brings a suite of advanced health-focused features that elevate the smartwatch experience beyond basic tracking. One of the standout additions is Bedtime Guidance, which analyzes your sleep cycles and recommends optimal sleep times to help improve alertness and recovery. Alongside this, Vascular Load monitors the stress placed on your blood vessels during rest, offering insights into your cardiovascular health while you sleep. The Running Coach feature delivers personalized training plans and real-time feedback tailored to your current fitness level, making workouts more adaptive and goal-oriented. Also included is the Antioxidant Index, which estimates carotenoid levels in your skin using existing sensors. This acts as a proxy for dietary intake of fruits and vegetables and offers a unique perspective on how well your body is managing oxidative stress. Initially tested on the Watch Ultra, the feature is expected to debut more widely on the Watch 8 as a compelling health-centric exclusive. Visually, One UI 8 also adopts a pill-shaped tile layout, aligning the smartwatch interface with Samsung's broader One UI 7 design found on smartphones. Whether that change improves, usability remains to be seen, but the health additions alone make this update noteworthy. All 3 smartwatches, the Galaxy Watch 8, Watch 8 Classic, and Watch Ultra, will be officially unveiled on July 10, 2025 during the Galaxy Unpacked event,